It's almost giving magic, because how the hell did she just disappear like that? Like, what?
What?
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Sofoxyyy, and if you're new here, hey girl, hey. Today we have ourselves another wig install, but before we jump into that, we're gonna get into this packaging because baby, they gave us so many gifts, y'all. Like on top of my 24-inch wig, girl, they sent me a nice little cute bonnet, so many freaking wig caps. You know how the wig companies be sending you 1 pair of lashes? Baby, they sent me 6 replacement accessories, and they were also kind enough to send me the construction of your wig so you can see what the inside of your wig is made of, look like, whatever. You get what I'm trying to say. Anywho, so this is what the inside of your wig will look like. So much parting space. I believe it's 9x6. Standard 2 combs to the side and a comb to the back. And what I love about these combs is the fact that you can take them out, because I usually cut my combs out of my wig anyway, so that works out perfectly for me. But yeah girl, you have so much parting space, so styling possibilities are endless. Now let's jump into this unit. Our girl is 24 inches, middle part bust down. Girl, it's giving pre-plucked, pre-bleached, all the things. I cannot wait to put this on my head. And let me tell you, I've been seeing this wig all over my TikTok, and when I tell you I couldn't wait to get my hands on it, girl, look at her. Cause why is she looking the way she do? I don't know, but she looks so cute. She looks so freaking cute. But now just getting ready to style our girl, I'm going in with my wax stick and I'm just putting that on the top of my unit. Now listen, if you like the way she looks straight out the box, then girl, do you. But me, baby, I'm gonna grab my hot comb. So I'm taking her, I'm just pressing her out. I don't want no humps, no lumps. I don't want my girl looking like a cap. We need her to be nice and pressed. Now, I don't know if y'all know, but she's still not glued down. Girl, what? I still didn't put any makeup on her. And do you see what she looks like against my skin already? But while I'm styling my hair, I'm just gonna get into the pros and cons real quick. Starting off with the pros, girl, not only is she pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-everything, like why does she look so freaking good? Like the only thing I had to put on my lace was my contour powder, and it was an instant melt. I kid you not. Like look at it. Do you see that? Like when I adjust this wig and bring it back on my forehead, because she was slipping back some, so I did have to go back in and adjust my band just a little bit. But look at the blendage. Like girl, you don't need a spray. You don't need a glue. Girl, you don't even need a mousse. You don't need a damn thing. Just tint that lace real quick. Girl, look at it when I sit it on my skin. Hello? And she's not glued down. So let me just say, the lace, baby, is giving 10 out of 10. The hair itself, super silky soft. I'm gonna give homegirl a 10 out of 10. As far as the parting space, I don't know if you guys can tell, but that part is super duper deep. And I actually like my parts like that. I don't know about y'all, but it resembles like Cardi B's wigs a little bit. You know when she be having the deep part, middle part bust down kind of units? I feel like that's what my girl was giving. So I was kind of happy about that. Now, as far as cons, the only con, if I'm being honest, that I would say this unit has is shedding. Now, does she shed a lot? No, but are you gonna lose a few strands? Yes, you are. Now, let me say this. Okay, wigs are going to do that, girl. Our natural hair does that. To me, as long as it's not overwhelming and it don't look like I live with a cat, I'm straight. So your girl was shedding, I'm not gonna lie, but it was not overwhelming, so you'll be all right. And this is what our girl is looking like so far. Do y'all see that lace? Because what? Like the lace is so freaking transparent, it is not even freaking funny. Now usually with pre-cut units, I would still have to go in a little bit and just cut some of the lace so it can blend even more. The fact that this is legit out the box is blowing my freaking mind. Now I'm going in with some eyeshadow. I would suggest picking somewhat of a neutral color. I used to use my what's it called? Oh my gosh, what is it called? My concealer. My LA Girl Pro Concealer, and it used to leave my parts like super orange, and I ain't like that. So now I'm using eyeshadow, and it's just kind of giving like skin tone. It seriously just helps my part look that much more defined. And if I'm being honest, why are we finished with this wig install? The only thing your girl did was put this unit on my head. Did I flat comb her a little bit? Yes, I did. Did I tint my lace? Absolutely. Put a little eyeshadow on my part and we are good to go. Are you freaking kidding me? Girl, no sprays, no spritz, no glue, no mousse, nothing. Now, this is what I call a beginner-friendly unit because it really was just that easy. Like I mentioned before, she has 9x6 parting space. So girl, you could do the middle part, the side part, you can do some braids. You can do anything you put your mind to, okay? And I just want to thank ISEE Hair for sending your girl this unit because when I tell you, it was like, it can't be true. All the girls on TikTok are talking about it. Like, is it really living up to the hype? Girl, let me confirm it for you. She is definitely that girl, y'all. She is everything you need and some, okay? But that was it for today's video, you guys. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, be sure to push that notification bell so you know when your girl will be posting next. And yeah, until next time, I will see you guys later. Adios.